Hey everybody, having a really good day. Today's my birthday and I just been looking at luggage and stuff because we got to get luggage. Ours kind of bit the dust the last cruise, so we're going to have to get a new luggage set. We're checking into several different ones, but I kind of like the duffel bag one. It's a duffel bag, but it has wheels, and I think it would pack everything I need and not let me overpack, because I'm going to try my best not to overpack this time, which is so hard because I never know what I want, but okay. Then I've also, last cruise, I had a lanyard that I got, and it was really cool. It has a place that I could put my sign and sell card, but it's also got some slots in the back where I can keep my ID, and if I want to go on port with my debit card, I can put that in there. And it had a necklace instead of the basic lanyard, so you could do your little charm necklace. And I've got me some charms already started and got some from the ports last time. So I got me a new charm type necklace since that necklace broke, so I can fix it back up. And I got my sister-in-law one of the lanyards so that with a new charm, so she can start her charm necklace on, because this will be her first cruise when she goes with us. So that's really exciting. Sorry, I got my eyes twitching today. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but it's like stigmatisms. And I'm thinking about packing cubes, so I've been looking and checking it, but I don't know if I want to go the basic packing cubes or if I want to try the compression packing cubes. So I'm looking into those. I'm pretty sure we just need to go ahead and get all toiletries and stuff, so as it goes on sale, when it gets closer to travel time, I'll start picking up some bottles and stuff to take with us, because it's still so early, and usually about spring, summertime here, they'll put that stuff on sale, and I'll show y'all through the store whenever they start doing that stuff. We'll do some room decor. I'm not going to do all out because, like I said, I don't want to pack a whole lot this time, but I'd like to get a couple of room decor. Probably going to get it from the Dollar Tree. Something for me, Raymond and Sissy, you know, on the door. And just sitting here, enjoying the day, waiting on Caleb to get out of school. I've turned 40 today, but it's just a number. But not a lot going on today. Just been doing some work and on my free time, just looking at some stuff that we're going to have to get and trying to narrow down what we want to do. Probably not going to get the luggage and all that until March or April, but I've got to decide which way we want to go with it, because I'm really not sure yet which way we want to do it, because, you know, there's the duffel bags, but then there's also the hard luggage, so I'm not sure which way we want to go yet. But I just want to stop by, say hey to everybody, and I hope y'all are having a good day. If you're not having a good day today, let's make tomorrow a better one. Bye, guys.